Next from Zeeve will be speaking, and we have Dr. Ravi. I'm sorry, Chamria? Okay, didn't want to butcher your name. Chamria, hey, pleasure to have you on the Spaces. How are you today?
Great. Very excited to join here.
Yes, yes.
Um,
And we've been
so, hi, everyone.
Olalo for quite a while now. So one of our first partners. So great to hear you speak, man.
No, absolutely. I think pleasure is all ours to work with Ulalo. Um, my name is Ravi. I'm the co-founder CEO of Zeeve. And so Zeeve is a Web3 infrastructure provider. Uh, we help builders and enterprises who want to launch their own custom app chains or rollups. And today, Zeeve is managing almost 7,000 plus nodes, 50 plus production app chains and rollups, and 350 plus testnets. And we support quite a few stacks, especially for Avalanche L1. I think we have a massive focus. We have a dedicated product called Cognitus, which provides one-click deployments as well as fully managed infrastructure for Avalanche L1s. And today we have about 18 L1s, 12 in production on mainnet, and 6 are right now in testnet, are soon going to be on mainnet. So essentially, just to explain it a bit more, today we are seeing for last couple of years we have seen a trend where a lot of projects, whether they require data compliances or security, or some customization at the protocol level, or they require their own dedicated block space. So rather than deploying their apps on a public chain like Ethereum, Polygon, or Avalanche, they tend to launch their own rollup and app chains. And that's where we help the builders, because launching your own chain at times can become very overwhelming, because you require a lot of expertise on the protocol side, expertise on DevOps, expertise on security, compliances, and so on and so forth. So we bring together everything in a complete, fully managed offering, where we help you select the right stack to do configurations and customizations to your stack, depending on your use case. For example, let's say healthcare, financial services, they may require data compliances. So we set up all the data compliances, or privacy, or decentralized identity. Or a gaming customer may require account abstraction for better user experience. So we bring together all these customizations and configurations, set up the chain, and then fully managed infra means, we take care of the running of the chain, whether it be, automated DevOps or high uptime guarantees or real-time monitoring, security monitoring, as well as upgrades and updates coming from the protocol stack. So everything is managed by us, so that builders can focus on building their community, taking their use case to the market, focus on innovation, creativity, and don't need to deal with any kind of infrastructure headaches. So that is what our core value prop is. And with Ulalo, I think we are super excited to work. I, coming from a medical background, I always feel very close to healthcare startups. We already have quite a few healthcare startups that we are working with. And Ulalo is a very, very innovative platform, a privacy-first healthcare platform. And there, privacy, compliances, security, user experience becomes super, super important. And I believe that, our partnership with Ulalo, we bring in a lot of value in terms of managed infrastructure, so that users who are using Ulalo, they can see a very solid, rock solid infrastructure, which is, backed by 99.99% uptime and very advanced observability, high performance, and at the same time backed by, security and compliances. We are one of the unique players in the market to be SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001 certified. So we're bringing that kind of security to all our partners. Just to elaborate more, take a example. Let's say a patient who wants to use a Web3 app, or if you see the HIPAA compliances, one of the challenge has always been how the data is being managed. So starting from data provenance to data storage, which requires a proper access controls, to data sharing with proper, controls of revoking the access, etc. So blockchain plays a massive role as an infrastructure layer for managing this kind of data, which requires these kind of security and compliances. And I think so infrastructure plays a very big role um, to ensure that the patient's data is secure. The venture is fully compliant, whether it be HIPAA or any other compliances, depending on the jurisdiction, and they can grow easily, without worrying about any kind of compliances or infrastructure headaches. So yeah, and if you're building your own sovereign L1 using Avalon's stack, visit Zeeve.io or Cognitus.io or connect with us. We'll help you starting from consulting to designing your use case to launching your managed L1. And lastly, I would like to say we are very, very excited to work with Tulalo. And we find the use case very, very innovative, and that is going to help and scale decentralized infrastructure. Thanks for having me.